Hello students, I am Anwat VK, your subject teacher of TYBSc Geography, and our course is Geography of India is our fourth paper, and today we are going to learn about the location and extension of India. Location and extension of India means what is the accurate locations of this India is located, as we know, the India is located in the northern hemisphere because of the mid latitude means equator is divided our globe in two parts. First is northern parts and southern is southern parts. So India is located in north part. So India's location is being with the north, and according to the mid longitude India is lie in eastern part. So India's location is established as northeast. Then, as we know, the India is located in the northern parts and is being the part of major continent Asia, and it's look like as isolated from Asia continent, so it's known as Indian subcontinent. Then if we focus upon the there are seven major plates which are situated on the our earth. In that, India is being the part of Indian plate. It's a major plate of the plate tectonic. And if we focus upon the subcontinent of India, it's look like a peninsular view. Okay. If we focus on India's northern parts and southern part, eastern parts and western part, that time we can clearly identify some physical factors, like as in northern part of India lie the great Himalaya, and in southern part of India there is a lie Indian Ocean. In eastern part of India there is a lie Bay of Bengal, and the western part of India is occupied by the Arabian Sea. Then India is the seventh largest country according to the area. After Russia, Canada, United States of America, then China, then Brazil, then Australia, and the seventh position is India. Okay. Then India have the 15,200 kilometer land frontiers, and India also 7,516 kilometers coastline, and this is a big beneficiary to India have the own coastline. It's a not a buffer country like as Bhutan, then Nepal. Okay, so India have the 7,560 kilometers coastline. Then northern sides of country border with the China, then Bhutan and Nepal. These are the three important countries is shared with India's boundary from northern side. Then western border is occupied or the is covered by the Pakistan. Pakistan is like India's in western part. This is the highest point is located in India. Its name is Kanchenjunga. Someone say it's a Kanchenjunga. Then its height is 8,586 meter from mean sea level. Then the lowest point of India is located in Kerala, and its name is Kuttanad, and its height is minus 2.2 meter from mean sea level. Okay, then India have occupied the world's 2.4% land of the world. If we classify our earth in 100%, among 100%, India carry only 2.4% land. And there is a most interesting things related with this land. India's 16% world population is belong from this 2.4% land. It's not a it's a too huge population is carried by this 2.4% land. India's area is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. If we compare it with Russia, the Russian area is 1 crore 70 lakh 75,200 square kilometer area. Means if you were to compare with India with Russia, that time you can clearly observe that the Russia is much bigger than India. Then latitudinal extension and longitudinal extension of India. The latitudinal extension means we know the what are the latitudes. Latitude is nothing else, it's just the imaginary lines which are they draw upon the globe. Okay, these are the horizontal lines. And as we know, the first horizontal line which is touch to the Indian southern part, and it is 8 degree 4 minutes north. Why we use a north? Because of India is lie in north hemisphere. Okay, then this is the first line, 8 degree 4 minutes latitude, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the last latitude which is goes from the Indian constituency is 37 degree 6 minute north. Means the India's latitudinal extension is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Same as the longitudinal extensions also 68 degrees 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 east. Here the 68 degree 0.7 minutes, as we know there are the vertical lines on the globe, they are known as the longitudes. There are the 360 longitude and here 181 latitudes. The first longitude which touched the Indian constituency or the Indian border is 68 degree 7 minute east. Then second, third, fourth, and the last longitude is passes from the Assam. It's a 97 degree to 25 minute east. As we know, the Tropic of Cancer passes middle of the India. Means there are the if we focus upon the globe, that time we can clearly identify the middle latitude is equator, the northern 23 and half latitude is known as the Tropic of Cancer, and the in southern parts the 23 and half latitude is known as the Tropic of Capricorn. The India's middle part from the Gujarat and then Madhya Pradesh, and then from this area this Tropic of Cancer is passes. Then India's mid longitude is considered as 82 degree 30 minute east. It goes from the UP's town is a Mirzapur. Means as we know that world's GMT has been taken from the Greenwich, which is a town of the London, and from this town world's timetable has been considered, same as India's time schedule has been considered from the Mirzapur, which is a town of Uttar Pradesh, and is lie on 82 degree 30 minute east standard time longitude of the India. The India's north to south length is 3,214 kilometer. Okay, this is the most important. The India's north to south length is 3,240 kilometer, whereas the east to west length also nearby the north to south length of India, it's 933 kilometer. Then India have the two major islands, and as we know, the islands have the too much strategic views. Andaman and Nicobar. This is one important island which is located in Bay of Bengal. Then, if we discuss upon this Andaman and Nicobar Island, these islands has been formed due to the volcanic eruption process. Okay. Then another one important islands which is located into the western part of India's side, which is located in Arabian Sea, and these are known as the Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep means the in Hindi meaning Lakshadweep. There are the lakhs of the small islands, and they are the come together. And as we know, the Kavaratti is the capital of this Lakshadweep island. These are the also one important part of our India. Thank you.